Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. This is a video that I filmed a while back on my first attempt at decorating rainbow cookies. One of the things I learned about decorating rainbow cookies is to alternate between the colors. So for example, pipe on the red, yellow, and blue royal icing first before piping on the orange, green, and purple royal icing. That way your colors don't blend into one another. Another thing I learned about decorating rainbow cookies is that it is time consuming because you have to literally mix a lot of different colored royal icing. So when you make any rainbow desserts, make sure you set enough time aside to do that. Or ask your friend to mix the colors for you. So what are some rainbow desserts that you would like to see me make? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.